Hi, so I'm just going to show you how to invite your employees, your colleagues to your organization in Cenefits. So I've previously shown you how a public organization can invite you and assign you to contracts and benefits and be part of their organization. And you'll have had at least one user created from that process who's the initial administrator. But that person can then invite other colleagues to join their organization in Cenefits. And those people can either be assigned as admins or as users. You just enter a first name, last name, email address and phone number, click to invite, and they'll get an email with a unique link to click to create their profile, and then they'll be available to be assigned to benefits or to do other admin tasks. So the difference between admins and users: admins are people who can invite other users, who can assign them to benefits, and who can edit the users and the organization name. Whereas users are just people who upload evidence, download reports, and edit their own profile, and they can't do these other things. So that's the difference between them. So I'm guessing, in a really small organization or an SME, you may only have one admin, and maybe they would do everything in the very smallest organizations. Whereas if you're slightly larger, maybe you'd have one or two admins, and then you'd have a number of users. To the very largest organizations where you'd have different business units around the country, each with their own Cenefits organization, having one or two admins, and then having maybe a user that represents particular projects or contracts or a particular region who can be assigned to the right contract. So I guess ultimately, the power is yours and the flexibility is yours to decide how you use this tool. The reason we've chosen this model is that from a public organization point of view, it's easy for them to pick an organization to assign to a benefit or a contract, but from your point of view, it's nice to have the flexibility and power to say, actually, I want this person to do this thing. So that's how inviting your colleagues works. Thank you.